Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I request to all of you, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's start the video. Today's topic is how to hire a business attorney. Hiring a business attorney is an important decision that can significantly impact the success of your business. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you find and hire the right business attorney. Identify your needs, type of legal services. Determine the specific legal services you need. This could include contract drafting, intellectual property protections, employment law, mergers and acquisitions, or general business advice. Industry experience. Look for attorneys who have experience in your industry. They will be familiar with the legal issues specific to your business sector. Number second is research potential attorneys, referrals. Ask for recommendations from colleagues, business mentors, or other professionals. Personal referrals can often lead to finding trustworthy and effective attorneys. Online research. Use online resources such as legal directories and law firm website to finding attorneys who specialize in business law. Bar association. Check with your local or state bar association for a list qualified business attorneys. Evaluate candidates experience and expertise. Review the attorney's experience including their years in practice, areas of specialization and types of clients they have worked with. Reputation. Look for reviews or testimonials from previous clients. Check for any disciplinary actions or complaints filed against them. Compatibility. Ensure the attorney's style and approach align with your needs and business culture. A good working relationship is crucial. Schedule consultations. Initial meeting. Arrange consultation with a few shortlisted attorneys. May attorney offer free fee structure, free or low cost initial. Prepare question. Ask about their experience and business with similar to yours. Discuss fees and billing. Fee structure. Understand the attorney's fee structure. They may charge hourly rates, flat fees, or work on a retainer basis. Make sure you are clear about how and when you will be billed. Budget. Discuss your budget and see if the attorney can work within your financial constraints. Assess communication and responsiveness. Availability. Ensure the attorney is available when you need them and will respond to your queries in a timely manner. Communication style. Make sure you are comfortable with their communication style. They should be able to explain complex legal concepts in a way that you understand. Review the engagement agreement. Contract terms before signing. Carefully review the engagement agreement or retainer agreement. This document should outline the scope of work, fee structure, and any other terms of relationship. Clarification. Ask for clarification on any term or condition you do not understand. Make your decision. Evaluate your options based on your consultations. Evaluate which attorneys best meets your needs in terms of expertise, communication, and cost. Trust your instincts. Choose the attorney you feel most comfortable with and who you believe will represent your interest effectively. Formalize the relationship. Sign the agreement. Once you have selected an attorney, sign the engagement agreement to formalize the relationship. Begin work. Provide the attorney with any necessary documentation and information to begin working on your legal matters. By following these steps, you can find a business attorney who is well suited to help navigate the legal aspects of running your business. So, guys, this is the end of your topic. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for the next lecture. Goodbye.